going to look at how to create animation using your browser. Alright, so we are going to slide to Google Chrome, and we are going to use a very important website called RenderForest. So inside there, you just search for RenderForest, or you hit the description button for the link to the site RenderForest. Alright, so let's type renderforest.com. Okay, or you can just type RenderForest, then it will just load and you pick it right from there. So anyway you type it, then you pick it right from here. Okay, anyway you type it, then you pick it right from it. So let me just tell you something about this outstanding website. Okay, so people don't know. All right, so they say all your designs tools in one place. Start growing your business by creating stunning videos, animations, branding, mockups, presentation, graphics, and professional websites. All right, so it contains a lot, and let's check something right here. What you got to do first is to just sign up. Okay, is to just sign up quickly. I've been quickly signed in, so you can just sign up. Let's see what they have for us. You just come to create, tap these two lines, then you come to create. All right, so after tapping on create, you see first they have designs. Let's check, well, what is it. So you can use to create social media presentations, social media designs, printables, documents, and a whole lot. So let's check for the designs and see. But don't forget, we are here to create animation using our browsers. Okay, we are here to create animation using our browsers. All right, so these are a kind of designs, social media designs they have for you, and you can just tap on that top here to pick the category. So you pick the category, you set to what you want. Okay, you set to what you want. All right, so enough of that. Let's go back and tap on the mockups. So they have great mockups that you can use for your services. Let's say, all right, so let's say you are having a product and you want to mock, or you are having a design you want to mock up. You just come here and use their service for mockup. All right, so you just use this to set to your grid category. All right, let's go back and create. Then you go to uh, logos. You go to logos. So if you are a YouTuber and you need a logo for your channel, you can just come here and create a great logo and create a great logo. You can just come here and create a great logo for your channel. All right, so let's go back, hit create, and we have website here. So if you are building a website, or you are a web developer, you are a web designer, you can just come here and make a lot of web design web design that will best suit your web page or website. All right, don't forget this thing. We are here to create video animation in a very professional way. All right, but know one thing, this site provide free services and premium services. Okay, so they provide free services and premium services. All right, so you can see they have the premium services here: 10 gig storage and create unlimited HD 720 videos, one premium website on your own domain, full access to 1 million premium template, mockup scenes and presets. So they have access to 11K stock for full stage. And we have the yearly, we have the pro. Okay, so we have the light, we have the pro, we have the business, we have the free. Okay, we have the free here. All right, and we have the monthly two services. We have the business, we have the pro, we have the light. So if you are having money, you want to subscribe, you can quickly subscribe. And currently they are giving up to 47 40% bonus, so it's great and you can do well to subscribe. Don't worry if you are not good in speaking English. Slide here and choose your country. If you are in Spain, Portugal, France, China, Japan, Turkey, please slide here and choose your country. All right, but English is an official language, so we'll go for English. Let's hit create and go to videos. What are we going to do? They have music visualizations, they have presentation, slideshows, we have video editing, we have intros, we have animation. All right, so we are hitting animation right there because we are in to create an animating video. All right, so what is the best here is they have a lot on different forms of animation video you can use for your YouTube videos and other videos. So we have quick YouTube intro, you can slide there, but here we are interested in the 2D, 3D or 2D explainer animation. But how do we get our script? How do we get our script? Let's quickly slide to chat GPT, chat GPT, and type our script there. Okay, and type our script there. Everything make easy using artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. All right, so what do we type here? Um, let's say video script. Sorry, script about travel short short animation. Okay, so you add that. Okay, you add that, you add that. So let me do this quickly. Short animation video. Okay, so journey of a lifetime. So all right, so it's giving us some script, but we don't go it that way. We don't go it that way. It too long. It too long. So let's add a new animation and get a new video title. All right, so let's go for animation. All right, so let's take this. All right, so welcome to this travel video. Get ready to embark on a virtual adventure as we explore. All right, so we are making these tutorials too long, please forgive me. Let's quickly copy this and go back to RenderForest. So you hit the tab button, then you get back there. All right, so we said we are going in for animation, but quickly let's search for travel here. Let's search for travel here. All right, so you could see I've been using this website a lot for a lot of videos and other stuff. A lot of videos and other stuff. So let's quickly search for travel. Okay, so we are done with the searching. So these are um alternatives, or these are templates they've given us, so we can pick from it, then we carry along. All right, so which template are we going to I mean select? So we pick character adventure. So let's quickly pick that. So please don't forget uh their services. When you get here, just tap on create now. Create now. And let me show you something. We have the one you have to start from scratch. You have the one you have to type your script or your story. You have the one you have to browse through their template and make a video uh preset and customize anything. Okay, so we have the first one. Oh, I can start from scratch. So you pick your video, you type your script, you pick your best selection, you type your script. But if you are feeling lazy, as we use the AI to generate our script, you can quickly come here and paste the script there. Then you tap on generate project. Immediately you tap on generate project, their AI is going to arrange your scenes for you. So we have scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 to scene 5. All right, so you tap on generate project, and uh you can continue editing if you miss something. But if you can generate project, uh if you are set with this, there are scenes they've provided. So we have the first scene here, we have the matching scenes. So if you don't want it in this way, you just slide to matching scene and you pick a different scene. Okay, so you go to the next scene, you don't want, you pick a different scene. You go to the next scene, you don't want, you pick a different scene. So in this way now you can add music to it by hitting here, and you can add music from your music your files, or you can add a voiceover. You can change the color. Okay, you can change the color. Here we have custom colors here. All right, so we have the layers. Okay, we have the layers. So, and we have here where you can continue editing. Okay, continue editing. If you tap here, it means you are going back, so don't tap there. So just tap on play button here. If you want to save it, you tap on export. You tap on export. If you go there, it's a premium, so um you skip the premium since all right. So it's ongoing, so you can just enable this to be notified. All right, so you can just enable it to be notified when your expectation is done, or you can just wait as it's going this way, or you can cancel rendering if you don't want rendering. But don't remember of or don't forget this. Okay, don't forget this. When you are done with your exploitation, or when they are done rendering, you are going to receive an email where you can follow this and get into your uh video section. So let's go to the video section. What do? You just tap on the three lines there. Okay, let me just go back. For you guys. Sorry. Oh, so you just tap here, the two lines there, then you come to your profile. So your profile like this, you tap to display this, then you go to video. Okay, you go to videos. So my project, I'm going to videos, and it's going to show me some project. I've So this is almost done. Okay, the one we are practicing is almost done for us to save. How do we save it? Please follow these tutorials carefully as I walk you through that. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. All right. Seems the rendering is keeping long. All right. So your video successfully exported. Okay. Let's tap OK. So now, how do we save it? You just tap free preview. So if you tap there, you see we have download here. So you can remove watermark, but you pay. All right, so when you are done with everything, you can remove the watermark using a video editor app. So don't worry with that. So we are done downloading our video, so we can just play or preview our video here. And welcome to this travel video. Okay, so here is the watermark. Get ready to embark on a virtual as we explore. So this tutorials was great, and thank you all for working with me thus far. I appreciate your effort. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. I have one question for you. Is the AI too important, or would the AI too help us in the coming years, or it won't help us? drop your opinion whether the AI tool will help us or will not help us. What do you think? Let's hear from you in the comments section. I'm Scamper and I'm out.